Good morning and welcome to your pre-market report for Wednesday, the 12th of November, 2025. Let's take a quick look at the global cues, domestic trends, and stocks to watch before the markets open. The Dow Jones Industrial Average surged about 1.2% to a record close, driven by optimism over a possible end to the U.S. government shutdown. The S&P 500 edged up roughly 0.2%, while the Nasdaq Composite slipped around 0.3% as tech stocks came under pressure amid concerns over AI valuations. The Asian markets are trading mostly higher, with the Nikkei showing modest gains, while the Kospi and Hang Seng were trading positively. Trade optimism and rising odds of a U.S. Fed rate cut are affecting the markets positively. GIFT Nifty futures indicate a strong opening for the Indian indices today, as Trump's comments over a trade deal spurred optimism. Gold has climbed after a two-week lull to near 1.22 lakh rupees per 10 grams, and silver also rose sharply. Indian rupee is holding steady against the US dollar, which is supportive for companies with high import exposure and soothing margin pressures. Tata Motors passenger vehicles division is in focus as the group advances its demerger process, with the commercial vehicles arm set to list today, while the PV unit will announce its Q2 results on November 14. BSE Ltd reported a strong Q2 FY26 performance, with net profit surging 61% year-on-year to 558 crore rupees and revenue rising 44% to 1,068 crore rupees, driven by robust growth in its derivatives and trading segments. Groww Fintech Ltd IPO will be listing today, and its performance on debut will be watched for investor sentiment in the fintech space. Given the strong open expected today, resistance can be placed in the region of 25,850 to 25,900, a break above which could lead to 26,200 levels again. On the downside, support is in the 25,450 zone, and a break below 25,300 could lead it towards 25,000. The former scenario, however, seems more likely owing to positive global cues. The key risks include persistent foreign institutional investor outflows and global economic uncertainty, which is keeping the market vulnerable, especially US dollar strength and elevated bond yields. Catalysts to watch are steady DII buying, ongoing corporate earnings, and positive global backdrop like easing government shutdown concerns and positive trade deal commentary. Yesterday, FIIs were net sellers of about 803 crore rupees, while DIIs were net buyers of around 2,188 crore rupees. That's your market snapshot for India on November 12, 2025. For more such updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.